Hello, teacher. My name is Sarah Carolina Nina Hamani. Today I am going to roleplay be myself. Me will play student and student B. Hey, how are you today? Hi, how is today? I'm grand day of about you. I'm great thanks. How about you? I finish try you can ask some question how you rate them. I am right thank you. Can I ask to hey us to about you right? Sorry. What do you like doing in your Friday? What do you like doing in your Friday? I love play soccer and enjoy listening to music. I also like watching movies. I enjoy playing soccer and I enjoy listening to music. I always like watch movies. They nice what activities do you like do that nice one activity do to like the hearing clean me wrong and I dislike would rally always I hit clean my room and they display good are you of when you do like play soccer. Why do you like play soccer? I like play soccer starting afternoon. I like play soccer on Saturday afternoon. Why do you like play soccer? You do like play soccer. I can play soccer and play with my friends and also eat hamburgers together. I like playing soccer at Fridays. My friends and me you I eat hamburgers together. That is fun. That you for you as well. That is fun. Say you for your answer. You are welcome in me too. Your welcome is my day. What you like day in your brain time? What do you like doing in your brain time? In lobby mas con antijoy pues fácil I play video game. I you what you wish at your brain books I oil video game. Real what activity you like doing? Hey. What activities don't you like doing? Yet watching TV and it dislike the difficult over more Sunday. They had also days on display the office all day. When do you like watching movies? When do you like watching movies? I like watching movies. Friday was good and flags. I like those movies, right? Movies Kairat Alfred class. Where do you like watching movies? Where do you want movies? Use what movies? Add movie with my family. Some minutes in most movies. Add cinema with friends. Use movies in my family. Saturday movies at the Tony friend. That's great. That's for having my question. Question for my question. You are welcome. It was easy. Your name it was nice. To is with to jewel. Nice. That will be your loot. So I get yay. Nice to with to you. Hi birthday. Do to it. Goodbye. It to goodbye. Goodbye.